Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Remos toothpick with removable angle tip. It's on the market in curved design or with a straight tip. You can choose from two options as you can like. Here in this case it's the 7884. It's the curved version of it. A toothpick with removable angle tip is really cool because this can help you to clean your mouth area easily. Hygienic, baby. The Remos toothpick is made of stainless steel and can be disinfected, so it is also very durable. And simply remove the food scraps. The toothpick is best suited to remove the food leftovers in the interdental spaces. Because if you like meat, if you like a lot of food, often there are so many leftovers in the interdental spaces. And that's not good for the hygienic way inside your mouth. In this case, a toothpick comes on the scene and will remove all these leftovers in the interdental spaces. And after this, you have back and shiny, smiling. And it's not only good for your dental interdental spaces. It's good for a car travel companion. Thanks to the screw-in tip and the small size of the toothpick, it fits into any trouser pocket, and it's always ready for use. Because if you are at a restaurant, you'd have to ask to a toothpick first. Then you can remove it, job's done. Okay, but it's much easier if you have the Remos toothpick with removable angle tip at your service. And then you can start to remove anything what is not on the place you like. Job's done, baby. Easy peasy. Always ready for use. The tip comes with an angle tip. The total length is 7 centimeters. This is 2.7 inches. The length screwed in is 5 centimeters. This is 1.9 inches. This is a really cool Remos toothpick with removable angle tip. With a hardened stainless steel version, baby. So it is reliable. It will hold you in business a long time. And it will help you to remove a lot of leftovers outside your mouth. This is the Remos toothpick with removable angle tip. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.